Hey everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be doing a quick install on these Baja Designs fog light brackets for the 10 to 14 Raptor. Essentially, these are two brackets that are designed to fit in those corner pockets of your bumper where normally there isn't anything from factory, and this allows you to mount up some of Baja's squadron lights to work as fog lights, essentially. Now, what you can see here on the bench is that I have both my left and my right bracket with the lights already attached to it, and we basically just have their round version of the squadron as well as the standard version. Both of these are amber lenses with the wide cornering pattern, so they'll be a good fit for our truck, but you can obviously mix and match and do amber or clear or choose whatever beam patterns you want, depending on what your application is. So taking a closer look real quick, you can see that the squadron lights basically come with these little metal U-shaped brackets that go on the bottom. They attach simply with just a little lock washer and a screw on each side, and then you can go ahead and aim them from there, and then they'll use a slightly larger bolt with a little nylock nut on the top to attach it to your fog light brackets. So your squadrons will come with their hardware, the bracket will come separately in this kit, and then you can go ahead and mount them up from there. So once that's done, we can go ahead and go over to the truck now. We'll show you how to stick these on. So standing in front of the truck, you're going to want to come around to the back side of the bumper where there's these two 10mm bolts that are here from factory. And basically you're going to need just a ratchet with a 10mm socket as well as a wrench. One of these bolts is a little bit more shrouded than the other, so it's hard to get the socket on there, but we're going to go ahead and loosen these up. Now looking at the Baja Designs bracket, you should have two of these bolts with the Allen head on the top for each side, and these are going to thread right into the holes that are already there from factory, so you're not going to have to drill or cut or anything. One thing to note though is that you'll probably want to tighten and pre-adjust your lights on this bracket before you put it in the truck, just because it is a little bit difficult to tighten and move them once they're on here. So since we went ahead and did that, I'm going to start threading this in by hand and then we can tighten it down. So that's going to wrap up our install on these fog light brackets, and it's basically the same on the driver and the passenger side. So once you have that done, you can run your wiring as well. Now, depending what lights you have on there, your wiring will vary, but one thing to note is that Raptors don't have factory fog lights, so you will probably want to run it to your upfitter switch in the cab for the cleanest install possible. Thanks for watching. Also make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos, and we will see you guys next time.